Hi guys, Abigail Johnson here, Global Resource Connection. I want to speak a little bit about business credit and what does it take to establish business credit. Okay, I'm glad that you asked. Well, business credit is basically, you know how our personal, based on where you are in America, your Social Security give you access to get credit cards, get a line of credit, get a car, get things in your name, and then it reports to the credit bureau. Well, in business world, you have your EIN number, identification number, and that's what's considered as your business social. So how you start building business credit: first, you need to register your business. Second, you need to get an EIN number, get a business bank account, get a DONS number, and from that place, that's how you start building business credit by getting net 30s account, vendors account, tiers. I'm using all these terms because that's what it's called. It could be net 30 days. Tier, that means is a lower level. So net 30, tier 1, which because there's different level, and vendors. Vendors are the people that's actually going to give you the line of credit for your business. So that's how you literally start building business credit. So if you have a business right now and you're wondering like, how do I build business credit? Or if you're thinking about starting up a business, it is very highly recommended for you to separate yourself from your personal, because that's the whole point, is so you don't have to rely on your personal. You can literally stand on your own. You don't have to PG your business, but you have to structure it properly in order for your business to stand on its own. Okay? So again, like I said, make sure that you register your business, get your EIN number, have your business bank account, and also establish a DONS number, because that's how you start. That's how your business credit start reporting to Dun and Bradstreet. Dun and Bradstreet is one of the business bureau that is showing your business credit. All right. So hopefully this was helpful. Please like, share this video, so more people are able to see and able to. Please comment if there's something that you would like me to speak on in regards to business credit. I am so happy. Just leave a comment and I will definitely expand on more about business credit. So take care and until next time.